All right, in this tutorial we are going to be talking about the menu system in WordPress. The menu system is the navigation bar that you see at the top or on the side of most websites. And depending on your theme, it might even be one menu system might even be at the bottom of your theme. But it all depends how your theme is set up. And that's the beauty of WordPress. Two things to note about the navigation bar. One is that it is editable, and two, that there's two ways to actually edit the navigation bar, and we're going to go through both of those ways. But first, I want to show you, just so you get a visual, the navigation bar, as we had talked about before. This is the menu system right here. This is the menu system, at least on this theme. Some themes have a menu system that goes down the side. Some themes even have a menu system that you can use at the bottom of your website. Really anywhere you can put it, depending on how you have your website actually set up. All right, so that being said, the first way to edit your navigation bar is WordPress by default. And I'm not actually going to go into it too much because it's just a natural thing. WordPress by default, with most themes, when you add a page, it is automatically going to add the page up here. No matter what you do, the page is automatically going to be added up there. And let me see if I already had this set up or not. Okay, so that's what's going on right here. So all of the pages that we have in WordPress are shown up here. So if I were to go and actually delete one of these, so say we delete this sample page area, or this sample page. Let's go all pages, find sample page, and we'll trash this. There's a little trash area right there, and trash option. Okay, now when I refresh this, it's gone. You can see it's gone. So that's the easy way. That's the extremely easy way to do that. But the problem with this is that when you do this, it's going to be in alphabetical order, which is something that you might like. And you really don't have much of an option of say if you wanted your contact page to be here, but your about page to be here because you wanted people to contact you first, or you wanted your product page to be here, and you wanted everything else to be there because you want people to get to your product first. You're not going to be able to do that with this. It's just going off of the pages that you have up there, so it's automatically going to put it up there. The second way to go about this is to use the menu system. So you have this area where it says appearance. You have themes, widgets, menus, theme options, and so on. We kind of already went through this before. And you go to menus right here. Now, the first thing you're going to do is, I'm going to delete this menu right here so we can start from scratch. So the first thing you're going to see, most likely, is everything on the left-hand side is all grayed out. And then here it says, to create a custom menu, give it a name above and click Create Menu. I usually just do, if I have one menu, I'm just going to do Main. So you got to create your menu first. So let's create that menu. And then on the left-hand side over here, it says Theme Locations. You want to select this main area. There's only one area in this there's primary menu. Sometimes you might have a secondary menu depending on your theme. And here you're going to choose the menu that you want. And so we created main, and we're going to select it right there. Now, the cool thing about this is that you can put whatever you want on here. You can put pages and categories. So, for example, say I just want, my home page up there. So I'm going to click this View All. Make sure you do View All there. I want my home page up there. I want this page with comments page up there. So I'm going to check that. And I want this lorem ipsum page up there. You click this Add to Menu. And it's going to work and put that into there. All right, and now when we go up here, you see Home, Lorem Ipsum, and Page with Comments. Now the cool thing about this, here, let me save this menu. I'm going to show you what it looks like on the actual site. So now we have Home, Lorem Ipsum, Page with Comments. Very cool. The thing about this is we want to, say we wanted to put Lorem Ipsum here. Instead, we wanted it to come after Page with Comments. Save. And refresh. Now, Lorem Ipsum comes after Page with Comments. You can also, these little pull down, there's these arrows on the right hand side. It gives you a little bit of leeway of what you want it to say. So say you wanted this to go to, say this Page with Comments. Maybe you wanted it to go to the Page with Comments page, but you wanted to change the name to something like Check It Out. That's what you want the label to say. And then here, but the actual place it's going to is Page with Comments. So we save that menu, and when we refresh, you can see right here, check it out, and it goes to, when we click on there, it goes to Page with Comments. So you can see how powerful this can be. We can add more stuff. I want to show you how, I'm going to click this View All, but you can add different categories. You can add different categories here too as well. And this is powerful because say you had blog posts or news posts that were of a specific category. So let's do this category A. Let's do category A, B, and C. We add that to the menu. You can see they're added. We're going to save. You can rename those to anything you want, like we had mentioned before, and move them in any way that you want. But let's refresh. We'll even refresh this page. You're going to see that now we have category A, B, and C up there. When we click category A, any posts with category A in it is going to show, or any post that is in that category A, is going to show. So if you have 10 posts, it's going to show 10 posts, and so on. Category B, nothing found, so we don't have any category Bs. See, category Cs. We don't have any category Cs. But as you can see, you could use this. So let's go back to category A. You have this one. You can have, if we added, here, let's actually show it real quick. Let's go to a post. We'll add 2 more posts to category A. We go to, say this, my test, no, actually, let's go to scheduled posts. Actually, I think that's scheduled. Let's do image test. Image test, we'll do quick edit here. You can see we've gone through this a little bit before. Is here we have our quick edit area where we can change things quickly. Let's add category A there. And we'll make this one only in categories B and C too. But we'll put the next one. Let's see, post format chat, quick edit. Put this in category A. Update. Okay. Now, when I refresh category A, because we're in category A right now. Now we have 2 more posts in that category. But if we go to category B, because we only have 1 post that we put into category B, we only have one post showing up. So you can see how powerful this can be, depending on what you want to do. You can have product posts and then put products up here and then have products going down. Or if you're in real estate, you can have the city, the particular city that you're in, or that you want, and then show all the listings for that particular city and so on. Very, very powerful way of changing the navigation bar. And like I said, the way you do that is appearance and then menus. Appearance and then menus. But it's as easy as pie with WordPress. If you have any questions, please ask, and I will see you in the next video.